Alright guys, so I'm just going to fill up the oil. Then I have to take off the distributor back here. Use the distributor priming tool. And I'll set the timing and start it up. Here we go. Okay, so I pulled the distributor out there, as you can see. So I'm going to use this tool now, which is an engine primer, basically for the oil. As you can see, there's a little sort of like a flathead screwdriver on the bottom, and this is a loose rod here, and this will actually spin inside the distributor. So I will be putting that in the distributor, lining it up with the oil pump, and then using my drill down there attached here, and it will spin oil into the engine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before I start it, so the engine has a good coat of oil. And since this has never been started in this condition, it's going to need it. So here we go. You have to spin it around a little bit until it fits exactly in the groove there. Now I'm supposed to spin this for 5 minutes, so let's go. Alright, so I spun the drill for about 5 minutes or so, made sure it was all oiled up. Then I also cranked it over a few times, got it to top dead center, which is sitting right now, and the oil pump is pointed at the one cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and put the distributor in, make sure it's all pointed up, put the wires back on, and start it up. Okay, so I put the distributor on, and I have all the wires hooked up. Everything's going to the right place. It's set on top dead center, and I don't know if you can see the line. I'll try to get the camera down there. Sorry if it's shaky. You can see the yellow line there. That's the mark, and there's the timing gauge. So it's pretty close. Might have to do a little adjustment, but there's fuel in the filter. There's inside of the carb, and it's ready to go. So we're gonna start it up. Let's start it up. Alright, I have the timing set. Everything's good to go. I'm going to start it up, see how smooth it is. guys, so the Blazer is finished. New engine, the head gasket problem's fixed, runs great. Thank you all for being patient with my videos, watching them. Maybe you learned from something there. And I have, at least for me, a nice video archive of what I did. So thank you all, and see you in the next videos.